go. Yep, that is a sheared woodruff. It's gone. It's disintegrated. Let's grab it with a magnet. See what's left of it. See what it did to the clutch. Or a nice little round circle on it. Turn the magnet. There we go. Woodruff coal. This is what I want to look at. Z. 6202 ZZ on the back. I do not, repeat, do not like ZZs. I do not like zinc-coated frickin' bearings. I hate them, but it's okay on the clutch. Let's see, I don't like that clutch to hit the woodruff key on the back, so I'll replace the woodruff key and repack the grease. Let's check the bearing, or the ball. Ball's fine. But yeah, that is the Kindle. I took it faster than I've ever gone and sheared the woodruff key. So I'll replace the woodruff key and have it back on the road. And it was really, really running awesome today. Freaking awesome. Repack the clutch, do all that stuff. Happy building, guys. Oh, please subscribe. Please like if you like me or like what I'm doing. And have a great building day.